No, this area is like the new outdoor area in front of the market.
But
So
it's close today pa rin. So we can't see the auction itself. But we're here.
yeah.
And the new outdoor area.
So it's a lot of food. It's the newest foodie attraction here by the market. So there's still a lot of sushi. There's still a lot of food stalls and food vendors. So let's take a look. Sa ang ginawa talaga parang old style daw ng ano, yung mga old road. 'Di ba? Parang Edo era ba? Edo era. Edo. So yeah. There's a lot of tourists here, but yeah, it's the newest tourist attraction here in Tokyo, so it's a given. May pa-free sample. Doon tayo sa free sample. Hello! What is that?
Green tea. This
Oh, green tea? Oh, green tea. Yummy
this?
green tea. Okay. You wanna try it? Yummy green tea? Green tea. Very light. Very light. It's okay. Very light. Very light.
They have
2 minutes, please.
Okay, 2 minutes. So the seafood bun, they're gonna griddle. They're gonna press for 2 minutes para toasted yung ano, yung labas. And then si Trixie got a shrimp skewer.
1,500. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just 1 minute, please.
Okay.
Hey. Bye-bye.
For it. Musta? Tasang hipon. Maganda yung seasoning. No need for sauce. Okay lang. Oh wait.
So
Sarap.
fresh.
So fresh. Okay.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem. Very hot. Okay, thank you. Sobrang init pa niya. Ang hirap niyang hawakan. Gutom na ako. Susubukan ko na. Hindi ko na mapigilan dahil ano. Ito yung lunch namin for today.
Budol.
Hindi.
Sarap.
Sarap na. Parang shrimp siomai bun. Ang hirap lang pakita yung palaman kasi ano siya, parang siyang ano, na flat na eh. Ito raw award-winning nila na fish cake, no? Ito an award-winning fish cake. Yeah. Sarap nga. Pwede nga bigyan ng award to. I'll try the Huni Croquette. Sarap. Masabog yung uni. Mastig. Tear the ano eh. The packaging. Kasi nadudurog na eh. So, Kid Treats is it's cereal. They mix it into your soft serve. It's like McFlurry on steroids. So you can choose cereal, topping, syrup, and other stuff. So good. Babalik tayo dito. Grabe to. Guys, night 3 namin sa Tokyo, and this is our convenience store na stash. Umuwi na kami, hindi na kami nag-dinner sa labas kasi Trixie wasn't feeling well. May nalaman akong hack online. Ipagsama ko raw ang Fami Chiki. Ano yan, yung fried chicken na filet ni Family Mart. and itong egg salad sandwich ng 7-Eleven. Kasi daw, yan daw yung superior na egg salad. Daw ha? Hindi natin alam. Kasi di ko pa natikman ko na yung mga yan dati, pero hindi ko pa nagagawa yung side by side. So, try natin yung hack na ipapalaman ko siya dito. Pero, guys, di naman ako sugapan. Hindi ko ilalagay dito sa gitna ng dalawang sandwich, okay? Ipapalaman ko siya sa isa. Kasi yung isa, gusto ko ma-appreciate without the chicken. As is lang ba? Parang walang mayo lasa nito eh. Parang purong egg lang. Sarap. Yung sikreto dito sa mga 7-Eleven, Family Mart, yung mga convenience store egg salad, yung tinapay, yung milk bread na gamit nila. Ito. So guys, subukan na natin yung hack. Ito ha. So, ito yung Family Chiki. Ito yung egg salad. Buksan na natin. Tinatira na lang dun sa Family Martinez yung spicy. Yun o, mamula-mula siya. Yan. Frankenstein sandwich. Pag bumili ka ng Family Chiki sa Family Mart, meron na talaga siyang bun na kasama na may dressing na para sa kung gusto mo gawin ng sandwich. So yung mga ganito, yung mga ganitong klaseng style, mga hack na yan. Try natin tong hack natin. Panalo. Okay lang yung spicy, hindi siya super spicy. Kaya. Guys, highly recommended. Tsaga lang ng konti. Hanap kayo ng 7-Eleven, get the egg salad, and then Family Chiki, yung chicken ng Family Mart. Sarap guys. I'll end day 3 with this, and siguro konting chips chichirya na stash namin from the convenience stores kanina. Sana okay na rin si Trixie para maaga bukas makapag-ikot-ikot pa kami ng Tokyo. Yun lang, bye. Guys, yung carbonara nila dito, may cream. Dami magagalit na na Pinoy kasi hindi raw authentic. Yan, you break up the yolk, tas extra sauce siya for all. Sarap. They have a special cheese on top. Titingnan ko sa menu. May sinabi silang special cheese na ngayon ko lang na-encounter. Pero ang ganda. Yan, try natin yung carbonara. I heard that there's bacon sand inside the egg salad. So we had it. Well, it's served like this, split into sasakto if you want to share. Looks good. We'll try it. My jam. Ganda yung bacon. Sobrang ganda yung bacon. This is their famous flan. Sinabi ko lang na famous kasi every table has it. So, malamang mas famous pa nga to sa Tamago Sando nila. Gonna try it. It has like a chantilly cream or whipped cream on top. Ganda ng niya, ng texture. It's so jiggly. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Sarap na ng burnt sugar syrup. Very Pinoy. Totoo lang very Pinoy ito. Na ang ganda yung pagkasunog nung syrup yun, yung syrup nila. Super dark. Parang sa malupit na leche plan. Yan, I just wanted my wife to try Butagumi because it's really good. Tsaka may theory ako Yung may ibang tao, may theory ako May ibang tao sasabihin, makahanap sila ng secret na lugar, diba, na fine, na hindi pa raw sikat. Tapos, pag sumikat na, tapos magiging, ayaw na kasi may mga pila na, puro turista na. Ano ngayon? Kasi gano'n naman talaga yung cycle Tapos, malalaos. Pero doesn't mean hindi na masarap. Still good. So, yeah. Pinagalitan ako nag-shoot ako sa kitchen kanina guys. Pero at least sabi pinaalis ako. So okay na yan. Feeling ko sa sabog utak na asawa ko dito sa kamatis na to. Naalala ko to dati. Nagbigay sila ng complimentary siomai, tomato and pumpkin. Grabe guys, may parang mayo, may cabbage, and then look at that egg yolk. Oh my god, and all the sauces. We got the double sauce, the onion, and the... What's the other sauce again?
Radish.
Horseradish.
Soy sauce with onion.
And soy sauce with onion. And then it comes with sides. Pa-healthy ko, no? Cream cheese. Looks like mustard, basil, and then the soup. I will burst the yolk. Okay. Kasi ganun daw yung way. So, it's gonna be so gratifying. Oh my.